I feel that I have a compulsion to create, where even if I find some quiet time, that I would just sort of sit on grass and I would naturally start rearranging rocks into something interesting or unique or weird. But I think that flow state is a good way to distract you from the distractions in life, where usually your phone demands a lot of your attention, but now you're kind of immersed and fully engaged with something else rather than what you're supposed to be engaged with. So flow state to me is the opposite of force. So I feel that there's force in trying to force something into existence, where there's flow, where something flows a bit more naturally, and it's a state where you lose all track of space and time and you become so immersed in what you're doing that everything just falls away. I have experience in my creative process. I think that's the main reason why I decided to pursue a career in art, because if this is something that I can immerse myself in and get lost in, this is something that I could see myself doing for an extended period of time. So that was very much the motivation for me to pursue a career in the arts. Hi everyone, my name is Candice Edwards and I'm a lecturer at the Open Wind Institute. We would like to invite you to a series of workshops that engages with the concept of flow, that builds up to an indoor exhibition called In the Now. So please come join us to partake in this immersive experience.